Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Discover card payment receipts for reimbursement, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading your Discover card payment receipts for reimbursement, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Discover card website by typing in the URL www.discover.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. After filling in your credentials, click on the login button to proceed. Once logged in, locate the activity section in the main menu. Click on Activity to view your recent transactions. Scroll through your transaction history to find the specific payment you need a receipt for. Once you identify the transaction, click on it to view more details. In the transaction details, look for an option that says Download Receipt or View Receipt. Click on the Download Receipt option. Your receipt will typically download in PDF format. Locate the downloaded PDF in your computer's designated Downloads folder. Open the PDF file to ensure it has downloaded correctly. If needed, you can print the receipt directly from the PDF viewer. Alternatively, you can save the PDF to a specific location on your computer for future reference. Make sure to rename the file appropriately for easy retrieval later. Repeat these steps for any additional receipts you need for reimbursement. Once you have all necessary receipts downloaded, you're ready to proceed with your reimbursement process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.